Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Emily Freybler. I post videos about beauty, lifestyle, and fashion, so you should definitely subscribe. So today's video, we are going to be talking about a concealer from the brand Pacifica. I just did a full review on this foundation called the Dreamy Cover Foundation, and I loved it. I got this concealer at the same time as the foundation, and since I love the foundation, I had very high hopes for this concealer. So let's go into everything. I'm going to show you a demo, how I apply it, all that jazz. So let's get started. All right, so this concealer is called the Creaseless Complete Coverage Concealer. This is what the box looks like. I got mine in the shade Light, and it says it's a transcendent concentrated concealer. It's made with natural minerals, and it also says that it is made with coconut water and it can help hide imperfections and dark circles. So I believe this was $15.99 at Target when I got it. So it's very expensive in my opinion for a concealer, since I love like the Maybelline Fit Me and things like that. That's around $5. The most expensive concealers I usually use are around $10 from the drugstore. And then of course my Tarte Shape Tape, but that is 100% worth it in my opinion. So then the back of the box says innovative concentrated liquid minerals that help camouflage imperfections, dark circles, and blemishes. It says it has an emollient formula for a natural, smooth finish. So this concealer I've tried so many different ways. I've tried it underneath my eyes. I've tried it on blemishes. I've tried it with a sponge, a brush, my finger, so many different things because I wanted to give it a fair shot. I think the packaging of this is just so cute. Pacifica packaging is always amazing. There's a doe foot applicator like this, so nice, and the color is not very, I don't know, it's an interesting color. It's very orange in undertone, which is great if you want to cancel out dark circles and things like that, which it's supposed to be for. So I kind of appreciate that, but this concealer is just not good in my opinion. Like the finish of it almost doesn't sink into the skin when I'm applying it. I tried to get up nice and close and personal for you guys. My favorite way to apply it, like the way that it looks the best, is with a sponge, which usually that happens for me. With a brush, it just kind of slips and slides around and doesn't really sink into the skin at all. I don't know if that's because of the coconut water or what in this product, but it just doesn't want to sit in the skin. It wants to just kind of lay on top. It also is not full coverage in my opinion. It does not it's not complete coverage at all in my opinion, and you can't like build it up or anything, which I don't know why you would want to for a concealer anyway. But I tried it over blemishes, as you guys can see, and I tried it under my eyes so many different ways, and every time I tried it, like I thought, oh, maybe it would be good for like no makeup days. It wasn't, as you can see there. I tried it over foundation and I felt like it kind of mixed with the foundation and just like didn't sit correctly, so that wasn't good. There were just so many different ways that I tried this concealer and it just did not work out for me, unfortunately. I really do like the Pacifica foundation, the Dreamy Cover Foundation. This one is super, super great, especially for the summertime. Just make sure you shake it because it is super, super liquidy. So I'm really disappointed that I didn't like this concealer. I'm definitely going to keep trying more products from Pacifica because I think they probably have some great products. I tried their lipstick once and that was really good, and I really liked their face wash. So I want to give more products a chance, but this one unfortunately just did not work for me. I know this is kind of a short and sweet video, but I just wanted to get to the point and let you know my thoughts on it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have a product that you want me to try out and review, then please let me know down below in the comments, and I will see you in a video very, very soon. Bye.